Hey guys, this is Eric with Low VA Rates doing a quick follow-up on a video that we've done in the past that's gotten a lot of, interest from veterans, and that's a good thing. We did a video on how to buy a multiplex. Now, just by way of reminder, a multiplex could be a duplex, right? We've all heard of duplexes. That's where you have like two properties in one house. We could have a triplex, which is three. And then there is the good old fourplex. If you want to go over 4 units, you can't do that with a VA loan. But what is it that I want to clarify or update? I'm going to sneak over here, grab my eraser. We've had some veterans reach out to us, and we love seeing this because this shows that people are doing their research. And they've said, hey, look, in your initial video, you say that you do not need reserves, okay? Hopefully you guys can see that. You don't need reserves. And you do not need assets, okay? I want to talk about that. We need to add some clarification, rightfully so. If, let's just say, for example, you're going to go buy a $300,000 multiplex, okay? If your income supports the full payment of unit number 1, 2, and 3, I think I said triplex, fourplex, if the house that you're buying, regardless of how many plexes or room or individual properties are in it, if you make enough money to qualify for that loan on your own, no rental income, 3 or 2 of the apartments or units could be vacant, then you do not need reserves and you do not need assets because you qualify for the entire purchase price on your own. Here's the clarification we need to give. If, let's say you've got a fourplex, I'm going to go back over here. Let's say you've got a fourplex and you're going to rent out each unit for $1,000 each. Okay, so you're going to bring in $4,000. Well, I guess you have to live in one of them, okay? Whoops. On VA loans, you have to live in one of them. So you're going to bring in $3,000 for 3 of the units and you're going to live in this one. Okay, as long as you don't need that $3,000 in order to qualify, once again, then if one of these rooms goes vacant, no big deal. There's no risk. However, if you need this $3,000 for your debt-to-income calculations, if you need that to show that you have enough income coming in, then all of a sudden you need 6 months of reserves, okay, and you need assets, okay? Kind of the same thing. Reserves and assets are the same thing, so I'm kind of putting those together today. How many assets do you need? Well, you need 6 months of reserves. So let's just say your mortgage payment ends up being $4,000 on this property, then you're going to need to have $24,000 in the bank. You need to have 6 months worth of principal, interest, taxes, and insurance or reserve. So hopefully that adds the clarification that's needed. It just depends, okay? We need a little asterisk. Reserves and assets, it depends. Thanks for watching.